Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add notes and attachment to Microsoft Project for the web. First of all, I'm going to create new project and I will choose a date for that project. It's a little bit slow today. I will have a wait for a second and I will intentionally left this project without name. It will be untitled project. You will see why later. I will say that this project will start on 13th of September, and I will close this screen and I will add task 1 and I will add task 2. Okay, you can see here quick look field and quick look column, which was not explained by me until today, and now is the time to show you the purpose of this column and this field. Let's say that I want to add a note for task 1. If I want to add a note, I should open detail, and here I can add a note. I can add whatever I want as a note. Let's say I will say this is a note for task 1, and I will close this screen. You can see that I have here this little icon which say view note. So if I go to the task 2, I will see that this little icon is not here, and that means that I do not have any note written for this task 2. But for task 1, I have one, and it is not just easy for letting you know if you have a note for task, but you can easily open it like view note, and this task detail screen will be automatically open with all informations, and you can see a note here. So this is why quick look is, but not only for that. Now, let's say that I want to add attachment for this file. So let's say that I have here in my documents, let's say that I have some attachment and I will add it. To add attachment, I should open details and I could add attachment. But for the moment, I can only add a link to a URL. So let's say I will add this link. And let's say Nenad's blog. Okay? If I add it here, like this, I will see on the quick look, not only note, but that I have attachment. View attachment, I will see here attachment, and I can here easily open attachment. If I click on this link, I will know, I will have now my blog in my blog page, which is attached here. But as you can see, I cannot add any file, nor from computer, nor for team files. Why is that? Because if I want to add a file from computer or from one Teams files, it doesn't matter, I have to have a group. So at least I can now say, let's say group members, and now I'm going to explain first why this untitled project was left by me. If you want to create a group or use existing group in Microsoft Project for the web, you should give your project a name first. So if I don't give a name, if I left it like untitled project, if I want to share a group, Microsoft Project for the web will tell me first, let's name your project. So I will say, this is my project with the name. Next, I explained it to this in some of our previous videos. So I can create the new group, okay, or I can add it to existing group, and I will add to my existing group, which is blog project for the web. Okay, I will set add. Now I know that I can assign John, Mary, and everyone from my group, and I can also do one thing more. I can go to attachments, and now if I want to add an attachment, I can add attachment from computer. So let's say I'm going to computer, and I will go here to my documents. I will have to my, let's say, certification, and I will put here my, let's say, my PMP certificate, but I can add whatever I want. Okay, and that's it. I will now see that I have two attachments. I can click on it, and I can see which attachment do I have. I have one link and one file. To conclude this, 3 points to emphasize, or 4. First of all, if you want to add attachment as a link, you can do it without assigning your project to the group or creating group for the project. But if you want to add attachment from computer or from your Teams file, okay, which can be also done here, you should assign a group to the project or create a group for the project. All attachments and notes for each and every task can be seen here in Quick Look column. So if I hide a column, I will not be aware if I have some attachment for this task or if I have some notes for this task. What should I do? I should go here, open details, and then I can see if I have or I have not note or attachment. And this could be very annoying if you have, particularly if you have many tasks. So I strongly recommend that you turn on Quick Look, and you can put it wherever you want, so here or wherever you want, but you can easily here find that you have a note for a task and that you have attachment for tasks, and not only attachments, but how many of them are attached to the task. And one last thing, which is very important, is that you cannot assign a group to the project or create a project for the group if you don't give name to your project. Hope this was helpful, and have a nice day.